I'm Vanetta Roan, and I had a wonderful time tonight. It was so much fun to get together and share all our secrets and recipes and see how enthusiastic everybody in the audience was about what we do. We love the Journal News Cookie Swap.
I love the Journal News Cookie Swap.
I'm Liz Johnson, the food editor at the Journal News and lovehut.com, and I've hosted the Cookie Swap for a couple years now, and this was the best ever. Every year I learn something from the Cookie Swap, and I think that everyone else does too. And so having it here at Chef Central means I can just go and buy whatever I need, or I can look at the recipes that we've given out, and that's really special.